Hello guys, today we see one array problem, remove duplicate from a sorted array. Let's start it. We take user input and remove duplicate in a sorted array. So for that we first write the scanner sc is equal to new scanner scanner system.in, and here we import the util package. Import java.util.star. Now we write here the comment user enter the length of array. So enter the length of array. So here we write int n is equal to sc dot next int the length of array stored in n. Similarly, we create an array arr is equal to initialized array int. Here we pass the length of the array n, and using for loop we paste the data from user. We take the data. For int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Here what we do, we write array of I means particular index. We save the data sc dot next int, then input we take. Now what we do, we write the method for to remove duplicate from a sorted array. So for that we write static int remove remove element le. Here what we pass the array. So for that array, and first we find the length of an array. Int n is equal to array dot length. We can directly pass the n here and fetch the n. So and we do one more. We create one temporary array where we store the result. Int temporary is equal to new int n. First we store the in temp of 0, we save the array of 0. Temp of 0 is equal to array of 0, and int result is equal to 1. Initialize the result, and we iterate the for loop. Int I is equal to starting from 1, go to the length of an array I less than n, I plus plus, and here what we check, whatever if the temporary array result minus 1 means the previous element is not the current element, means first we compare the current with the previous, because we starting from 1, so index 0 element should not be same as current element. So for that temp of result minus 1 no should not equal to array of I current element if we make it as condition if temp result minus 1 not equal to array of I. Then what we do, use temp of result is equal to array of I, means we can update this and simply increase the result. Then what we do? Then we write another for loop. If int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, arr of I is equal to temp of I. What we do? Whatever in that particular temp array, we return to the array. Then simply return result. And what we do? Here we call this in the main method int array result val is equal to remove element, and here we pass the array. Now we print that system dot out dot print. We can directly pass the value like say array dot otherwise we can use the for loop, then the updated array. First we do one thing, right? The updated array is, and here we also write system dot out print original array, enter the original array, and this is the updated array. Now we do one thing, we use the for loop for int I in reverse, then system dot print dot print what we simply pass the array. Let's run expected for is not applicable. Okay, then we use that for loop, and uh, we use that for loop for int I is equal to 0, I less than result, I plus plus, and here what we simply write array of I. Let's run this, and here give the arrays length 4, we give 2, 3, 3, 4. Here 3 is duplicate and it's successfully removed, and the updated array is 2, 3, 4. That's all. Thank you.